Hi, I'm Pamela Berry, and I'm going to do a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to do a signature watermark with your Wacom tablet in Photoshop CC. First thing you need to do is go ahead and go to File, New. I'm just going to do document type, just default Photoshop size. Let's do tutorial signature for now. Make sure the background is set to transparent and hit OK. So there you go. Now on your tablet, go ahead and click on the brush, and you can choose what brush size you want. I just have it about 9 and the hardness at 100%. Then you can go ahead and sign your name or do whatever little artwork you want. Like, I'm still learning my Wacom tablet, so I'm still learning how to do all this. So I got my name signed, nothing fancy. You can do it a couple times, to get your name how you really want it. I'm going to go ahead and crop in around my name, just like that. Click enter, and then go ahead and save. So you want to make sure you save it as a PNG file, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop for now. Hit save, hit OK, and you have your signature watermark. That took, 60 seconds, if that. Now this is how you drop it onto a file. So let's say you have a picture open. So I'm going to go ahead and open a recent one that I was editing. I'm going to bring that in. Okay, so this is my best friend Jacqueline. She needed a new commercial headshot in the studio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull up my signature off my desktop there. So let's go ahead and find it there, right here. I'm just going to drag it right onto the picture, just like that. Now you can adjust where you want to put it. If you hold down the Shift key and adjust the side, it's going to keep that from getting distorted. I would place right there. Whoopsie, like that. And hit enter, and my signature is on my images, and that's all it takes. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's Pamela Ann Berry, and also on photofocus.com for more tutorials and tips and tricks and any sort of article that I write in the future.